Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There are several reasons you may want to reset your iPhone. It's also smart to reset your iPhone before selling it. Resetting your iPhone will remove your apps, your contacts, your photos, your preferred settings, and other information stored on your phone so the new owner can start fresh.
Let's help you make your mark.
The iOS Smart Reset takes less than 1 minute if no user data is found on the device. The Erasure standard, Apple iOS Erasure, erases the device using cryptographic erase. This takes 5 to 15 minutes. 31 March 2017.
Take our lead.
4 signs that it's time to restore your iPhone. Laggy access to the text, SMS application. Longer that 5-second delay to get a live image in the camera application. Long pause before being able to scroll in contacts. Delay when clicking on the letter shortcuts in contacts. The 11th of November 2008.
Take our lead.
Been using iPhone since 2007 and have been through 9 different iPhones. Never had to do a factory reset on any of them. In other words, you start with fresh factory defaults each and every year about once every 12 to 14 months. 5 March 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
I recommend doing it every 6 months as normal preventative maintenance. When setting up a restored iPhone, as new, some things will disappear. All of your notes, email them to yourself first, then switch to Notebook or Evernote. Any unsynced photos, sync them first. Phone favorites, just re-add them late. The 11th of November 2008.
Let's help you make your mark.
In short, factory data reset is not bad. You can do as many times as you want. It should not hurt the phone. It simply restores it to its out-of-box, new condition in terms of software. Note that it will not remove any software updates made to the phone.
Take our lead.
There's no evidence from Apple or their documentation that resetting the iPhone is harmful, although they do state that it should be done only when a normal restart doesn't clear the problem. Actually, resetting periodically is a good idea in the same way that rebooting a computer periodically is a good thing. 22 June 2009.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.